What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another one. This one is going to be a little more of a personal video because I want to let you guys know why it is I do what I do. It's not just about the carpet cleaning. I want to be an ambassador of carpet cleaning. This is an entrepreneur channel, and basically it's fueled by my past, and the lifestyle I used to live and the mindset I had. I came from I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys, I came from a lifestyle that a lot of you probably would surprise, right? I came from a lifestyle of pistols, knives, and fist fights. I was a roughneck, I was living a life of depression. I didn't see any light in a tunnel, and it took me a while. It took me a while, guys. But now I live a life of building business, inspiring, and just doing right. The reason why a lot of us do or live the way we live is because we're hopeless. And I was hopeless. So that's what fuels me, because now that I've found that pot of gold, and it's not just carpet cleaning, it's finding something that is actually obtainable. And I found that with the carpet cleaning business. I found that by being inspired by other people, and so I'm passing it on. So really, guys, what fuels me to make these videos and teach you guys how to start your own business and teach you what I do on a day-to-day, because I know if I can do it, you can do it. I say this all the time: if I can do it, you can do it. I really believe it, because my mindset came from a place that, I think a lot of people can relate to, and maybe some can't relate to, but can appreciate. What put me in that mindset? I don't want to go into all that, but I know where I was, and I know where I'm at now. And I tell you what, I would have never dreamed to be in the scenario I am right now. Never. There's no way. No way. Being on a camera. For one thing, I don't even like pictures. Hate myself in pictures, yet I'm filming myself. Inspiring. I got a school now. I teach people how to build a business. It all started off as just, picking up a side hustle, working at it, pretty much turning that into waiting till it was time, turning it into my full-time income. And every year that goes by, it just grows and grows and grows. And now I'm not just cleaning carpets, I'm cleaning hardwood floors, I'm cleaning tile. I'm into natural stone cleaning now, natural, Spanish tiles, travertines. So I'm expanding my business. So everybody's got to start out taking that first step. So whatever your first step is, if you're fortunate enough to actually buy a truck mount, from the get-go, or you got to start off with portable, or you want to start out with VLN, This channel helps with that. If you want to get into power washing, if you want to get into some sort of service industry, because I really believe the service industry is really a great business to start. If you don't have a lot of money, and it's obtainable, right? And you can grow it as long as your passion's there. So in a lot of my videos, I play music, right? A lot of people say, I cut the music. I like the music. I think it keeps it entertaining. I want to be different. A lot of my music on there is rap music. A lot of my music is country, old, cinematic music, I like a variety of things, right? And I even used to make music. First half of my life, I was into music a lot, and it was more like my diary. And I used to rap. I was like one of the first white rappers out there. Back in the day, I was like the only white guy that hung out with the hip hop crowd. and I was known as the wannabe. But I never really cared about what people think, okay? Nowadays, most white people listen to rap, you know? So I'm not trying to get into the music thing, but I did make a song recently. Kind of pulled out one of the first things I've written. And it may not be, you know, top hit for you guys or anything like that, but it's a true story. It's where I was when I was 23, 24 years old. Actually, in a 3-year band, I actually wrote the first verse 1 year, second verse 1 year, third. So you can see where my mindset was. And if I can go to this, then you can do it too. All right, so I'll play this after the end of the video. You don't want to hear it, that's fine. But I'm always going to implement music into my videos, guys. I know, you know, I turn down the music. I get some of that sometimes, but I don't like the music. I'm sure that my taste in music is not going to be, but just turn it down, because information, though, it's golden. All right? Thank you for supporting like always. And yeah, I'm getting ready for my first job. And gonna mix up my solution. I went ahead and got the 5-gallon jug of the carpet details now. I just got tired of ordering. And yeah, getting ready. Got a couple jobs today and estimate. So
thank God I found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Days are getting harder every day, making more money, but there's more I gotta pay. Every day I wake up to the same thing, thinking things will change for the better, but they don't, man. With the kid to feed and the girl to please, thinking to myself in 10 years, well, would I be at home, man? I work with a bad back, or in the pen doing time for selling that. I don't know, I gotta come up some way. Dreaming as a kid is just to be rich one day, but it's hard with the credits of the 10th grade. Can't get a job with the future and real pay, so I sit here feeling frustrated, thinking to myself, should I get it, gonna take it? Masking on face, walking the front door with a stick up, everybody face down on the floor. Thank God I finally found a better way. 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 Been 2 years, still I'm in the same place, so down on my luck, it's like just getting worse every day. Pacing back for a solution, but now it's coming up to me, it's just an illusion. And now I'm out of work, tension's tight. My lady's talking shit, she thinks she's always right. Maybe it's me, but man, that's too much to see. I'd rather leave her talk about the shit another night. And now we're fading, temptations are gaining. My boys are making money, dope slanging and ganking. Should I sacrifice all the loving I got to be another dope dealer making money illegally? Watching my back, cause I know they'll be watching me, so they can throw me in a penitentiary. I couldn't live life like that. And if I'm caught, I'd rather die than live like that. Thank God I finally found a better way. 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 Here I sit, me and my girl separated, living far away from my kid, man, I hate it. Coming up, it's just a spark of me. Dealing drugs to come up, cause with no job it ain't easy. Running from the law, cause the law wants it all. Trapped in this town, can't get out, cause man, I need a car. Missed death at least a couple of times. Bullets missing my head, man, they wish I was dead. What we do, we got nothing to lose. No faith in like a gallon of booze. Now I'm sitting in a jail cell, family's broke as hell, so yeah, no bail. I guess my teacher was right, I make a mess of my life, but I'm not seeing no light. All I'm seeing is fight, I guess it is what it is. Ever since I'm a kid, I'm kinda thinking I'm cursed, I'm really thinking I'm cursed. Thank God I finally found a better way. 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 Thank God I finally found a better way.